Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will take an in-depth look at the Audi A4 fuses in fuse box location. The Audi A4 has been a true road icon since its inception, dominating the pickup truck scene with its relentless power, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable design. Let's discuss the fuses of the Audi A4. Fuses. Replacing fuses. Fuse color identification. Fuse assignment footwell. Fuse assignment cockpit. Fuse assignment luggage compartment. We hope this video is informative for you, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.